over here. Let's see. Oh, rotted Jamaican jerk chicken. I know you lying. So guys, hold on, screenshot. So when I think I try this, wanna think? Yes? Big sound interested. Based on the price, it looked like a portion very small. Got it. Jerk chicken, plantain, and the seafood ceviche. Yes. Underrated. Oh, it look. Wanna think the chicken I look bun up though. But let me move out of place. They might hear me, guys. Take time. Can't too, you know? Can't be too loud. Hold on. Wanna think? Need sauce? Make we find somewhere to go to try it. 7 out of 10 for presentation. We good? Alright, make we try the food. First thing we got to save the chicken for last. Rice and peas. Tough. Tough, yeah? Tough. Real bad. Not like cold tough, but tough as in, you know, cook all the way. Yeah, tough. Moving on, let's try the plantain. Alright, the plantain sweet. And then put cinnamon. Oh my god, then put cinnamon plantain. Cinnamon, me finally get to try plantain with cinnamon. Wow! This is that tell me about? Alright, I'm gonna try chicken now. Pepper. Spicier. Just because jerk chicken is a jerk, that means you have to kill it with pepper. Mighty God. Alright, so this is just an illusion, guys. It's not. But bad to bad. The plantain, best thing on the plate. That's why I can't listen to about try the chicken. When you know, I just need to see Jamaica side or something. Yes, that me I go pick. But the rice though, the rice. I not even like it edible. Tough real bad. Then I have to go down. Why a good thing? I did eat already. I can imagine if my belly ain't full. I made that rely on this. Crazy.